Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this part is a union design, and this body is a fully gate wall project, and part is a this part is a okay this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also today drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a symbol body, all parts is assembled here, and this panel project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is a this at first drawing a center line and drawing this body is separate and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first some setting is drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option document properties, image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and at first select a right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this at first select a center line, very important, and center line distance is a midpoint. This line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is draw here, and this geometry is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line is this, and this drawing this geometry, and this geometry is perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing this, and connect to this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this line and this line is a vertical. Okay, align a dimension. Dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, at first this is a line is this. Okay, select 1 millimeter this, but okay, and this line is a delete here, and okay, also delete here. Okay, connect to this and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also select this line is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and 1 millimeter and perfect, and this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point is drag here. Okay, and this point to this line is a vertical, and okay, and this is a okay, all is, and also this. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is a draw here. This is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect, and this is a this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter, and this height is a this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is, this is a this height is this circle is drawing here this, but this is a all is perfect, and next geometry is a drawing here, and this select a line is a drawing this this is a connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some drag line is inclined and connect to this, and this line is this. Okay, and align all dimension is a perfect and correct. At first select this line, and this point is a okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension is this is a 10 millimeter, this to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this, okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use this is 11 millimeter is perfect, okay, and this is 8 millimeter, and this use 3.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this use this, and this 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this also this. Okay, and next, and this is a use this line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and height is this is 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and also this is a 1 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and also this is a 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is a correct. All is a black color, and some dimension is this, and this dimension is perfect. Okay, and all dimension is correct, and going to revolve boss and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle, is drawing here this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 millimeter, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 millimeter. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 millimeter, and circle diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect, and going to up to surface, and surface, this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct, drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel is polished nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.